Well, Sak'd is a puzzle platformer, Metroidvania. Yeah, and yeah, it's about a our favorite little protagonist, Sack, who is a pillow brought to life through accident, no less, and basically given weapon wielding, spell casting, monster smashing abilities, and sent on a quest to save the realm of dreams. And yeah, we've been working on it for about 4 years now. It's all hand drawn, all custom made assets, ground up development, team of 8. And yeah, we're super proud of it. We'll be pitching it later today.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Can people wishlist it if they're interested?
Absolutely, yeah. So the demo is available on Steam. It's a full 45 minutes to an hour worth of gameplay, so buckle up. But yeah, you can wishlist it on Steam. It's also available on itch.io. And yeah, hopefully coming soon to a publisher near you.